Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. It's Eileen. I have a really quick project share for you today. Today I'm working with a cut file from Luisa, who is my Crafty Boutique Co. here on YouTube and also on Instagram. And this cut file is available in her coffee shop. And you could just go to her YouTube channel and then click on the link for her coffee shop or coffee shop. Anyway, I am putting together her photo booth, and I wanted to show you some of the progress and some of the difficulties. So I cut it out. There is no tutorial. Luisa has a tutorial on her channel, but I wanted to show you my progress. So on her channel, her photo booth is this way. So you put the mini album on this side and the booth itself is on the right. Well, I put my seat upside down. So yeah, so mine is going to be the opposite of what she had going on. So I wanted to do the photo booth to put together for a Christmas theme and put a mini album together, and hopefully I don't know, maybe we could do something. I don't know, but we'll see. So now I'll just tell you that the mini album comes with the spine, and it comes with the, she has all the pieces to make the spine for the hinges, the hidden hinges. I cut those out. I did not cut anything else out except for the base of the photo booth. So everything here is for the base to create your photo booth. And she has layering pieces for the top, for the left side or right side, and the back. And I also layered a piece on the bottom because the cardstock that I'm using is not as heavy or sturdy. So I wanted to reinforce all my layers. And you guys, this thing came together super quick. I was very concerned when I started uploading it into my Cricut design space. I was a little bit concerned, but then I started putting it together, and I'll tell you what, when you do this, you get the file. Watch Luisa'S tutorial. Although it does cut off at the very end of the first part, you'll understand automatically where the pieces go because her file is labeled pretty well. And if you're using Cricut, let me pull this up. I'm going to take my camera off my mount so that you could see. You should be able to know how to upload files, right? Just go to upload on the left hand side here. You can see that right there. Go to upload and then put the file in. When you get her file, because she uses a silhouette program, these dotted lines are read. Cricut reads it as a cut line. So you have to go in and change this line to a score mark. Now, mind you, these lines right here, those are the flaps for the bottom of the box. So you want to leave those as a cut line. And the inner lines, the long lines in between right here, are score. And she has them separate. So it's easy to do. You just go in, click on that line, and then you change it up in here where it says operation, and you change it to the score line. So I'm not changing anything because mine's already set. And then you have to make sure you separate the pieces, okay? Now, I suggest you take a picture. Once you upload the file, take a picture as it appears because it shows you where everything is laid out. And she has labels. I just closed it so Cricut doesn't go and cut out all these labels. So you just go over to this side. Let me show you one example right here. This one. And you click on it, and then you see it comes up, and I click on that little eye, it goes away. It comes up, it goes away. Okay, so if you don't do that, your Cricut will read it as a cut file, and it'll be cutting every single letter from that label, and you don't want that. Now here is the spine of the book, and also you have to change those marks to a score mark. Same with this situation here. You just have to leave the cut lines here because those are the flaps that we're going to glue. So you got a little rectangle here, here, and here that are, this is a cut, this is a score, this is a score, and this is a score. And I'm sorry I'm shaking, but I'm holding it and I'm trying to show you where I had to go in and change those little cut marks. Okay, so like I said, take a picture once you upload it into your design space if you use Cricut, and you'll be able to put everything back to where it was. So now, as of here, once you change those score marks, you got to select all those score marks and the piece that it's supposed to be attached to, and make sure you click on attach. So if you don't, these score marks will not cut on that image. It will read it as a separate image, and it'll just start cutting lines, 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 and then it'll cut a separate box. So you want to just make sure that you attach it to the image that it's laying on top of. And that way, when it goes in, it will score all these lines and then cut the box for you. Okay? I hope that makes sense. Like I said, this is not a tutorial. This is the seat of the photo booth. And these also have little lines in here, but you have to change it. Like I said, you got to change that line to a score so that your Cricut doesn't cut individual rectangles, okay? I hope that all made sense. This is my outcome. It works, guys. You just got to change those score marks or those cut marks to score marks. And it's a gorgeous little photo booth. And this side is where the mini album that comes with the cut file. It has a mini album that goes in there. And then your photo booth is ready. It's up to you what you add here. Luisa on her video has examples. She put some props here. She put a curtain here. And then she's got the little where the photo comes out. So this is where you put your coins, and your photos come out of here. Yeah, so make sure that, like I said, you take a picture so that you get all your files come out the right way. This one right here, this little trio, the white and the two black rectangles, that becomes your photo. And if you watch Luisa'S video, you'll understand what I mean. So that is it, guys. I hope you guys check out Luisa and her coffee shop. It's not much. It's very affordable, and you get this gorgeous little gift box as a photo booth, and you'll also get your mini album that goes into your photo booth. And I thought that was a really neat example of you know, for like if you want to do swaps or something, or a gift, right? So go check her out, give her a thumbs up, show her some crafty love. And I hope you enjoyed this video. If you're new here, welcome. Please hit the subscribe button right there. It's free to join our crafty group, our crafty family. And while you're there, hit the notification bell. That will let you know when I load a new video like this. And come back for more. It'll let you know also when I update this little photo booth, and you'll see what theme I create for our little mini album photo booth. So thank you, Luisa, My Crafty Boutique Co. I'll leave all the links in the description box down below. And leave a thumbs up, guys, and I'll see you all on the next video. Thanks for watching. Bye.